Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing this really cute blue set. We're kind of freestyling it, so before we get started, I'm just going to apply these nails. I did decide to record some of it. Just letting you guys know, I do want to apologize for the way this was filmed. Um, I'm still having difficulty finding a way to record my videos in a way that's easiest to follow along with. Obviously, this is kind of an awkward position, so I apologize, but I'd rather put something up than put nothing at all up. So, yeah. So I'm just going to apply these nails. These are actually the Opera long square, and these are sculpted. So these ones are a little bit longer than their regular long squares, just because they did make a little mistake where it was a little bit longer, which I don't mind. Yeah. So now we can go ahead and start with the encapsulated nails. My client did want some gold and royal blue butterflies. So I'm just going to grab these cute little gold butterflies and I'm going to kind of squish them in there. They do bend, so you have to kind of form it to wherever you're placing it. So I'm just going to put a little bit of extend gel on and then just cure it into place. So I'm going to do this with a couple of gold butterflies, and then wherever I have extra areas, I'm going to apply the blue ones. So once again, I'm sorry for how this was filmed. I know my hands block a lot of the process. I apologize, and like I said, I'm working on it. I'm left-handed, so it's kind of hard because I have my lamp on one side and then I have this tripod on the other side, and even if I switch sides, then my lighting's off but my filming's good, or either my lighting is great and my filming is bad. So I'm trying to find the happy medium. So bear with me, guys. I appreciate your patience. So now we can apply that encapsulated nail, and I'm just going to do it like I do any regular nail. Just apply it and then cure it with the lamp. And don't forget, you want to turn the hand over and seal the underside. So now I'm just going to clean up the nails. She really liked the shape and the length, so I'm not really going to do much, but I'm just going to file them up. Obviously, the shape is already there, but me personally, I still like to do a nice little file before I get to painting. For some reason with these sculpted tips, I always get a really clean cuticle area. So with this particular client, I didn't really have to do too much to clean it up, but I just really quickly went around the cuticle area with my sanding band, and then I just went down the rest of the nail just to prep it for painting. So painting her nails is going to be pretty simple. She wants one solid white nail on her pinky, and then the rest of the nails are going to be the milky white. So I'll have the links to both of these nail colors down below. Yeah, I absolutely love really, really great quality polishes from Amazon. So for the design, it was very much like freestyled, random. We decided to go in with this really pretty blue line. So we're just gonna apply this line to one fingernail, and both of her hands are basically just gonna mirror each other. So um, yeah, basically same design on both hands. After that, we just decided to put another one of these metal butterflies on the tip of her finger. This was a little bit difficult just because, like I said, you have to kind of bend the butterfly to the shape that it needs to be. So when you're not encapsulating, it's a little bit harder because you have to make sure that it doesn't end up lifting or coming off. So you really have to make sure it's laid down flat. I'm actually using a crystal glue to keep it down. And once it's down, I just kind of bend it a little bit more to fit the nail. And then I go over with the top coat to really seal it in there. Last, of course, we need some crystals. This look wouldn't be complete without these crystals. So I'm just doing a little teardrop type of design on her pinky. And then for her thumb, I'm just gonna do like the classic around the cuticle design or whatever. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, I'm sorry for the way this was filmed, and I'm definitely still trying to figure out a better setup. So bear with me, please be patient. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, make sure you leave them down below or send me a message. I always reply to my Instagram messages. But yeah, thank you guys again so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.